Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my special friend. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello. Today, I want to talk about someone very special to me, my best friend, Sarah. We have been friends for many years, and she is an important part of my life. Sarah and I met when we were in high school. I was 15 and she was 14. We both liked the same things: books, movies, and music. At first, we were not very close, but one day we started talking about a book we both loved. And that was the start of a great friendship. Sarah is now 40 years old, like me. She has short blonde hair and her eyes are blue. She is taller than me and has a very bright smile. I think her smile is one of the best things about her. She is always smiling, and when she smiles, she makes everyone around her happy. What makes Sarah special is that she's kind and caring. She always helps people. If someone is sad or has a problem, Sarah is there to listen. I remember when I was going through a tough time at work, she called me every day to make sure I was okay. She told me that everything would be all right, and she helped me feel better. She always knows the right things to say. Sarah is also very funny. She has a great sense of humor and she loves to make jokes. We laugh together a lot, even when we are feeling tired or a little sad. She can always make me laugh. I think laughter is very important in life, and Sarah knows how to bring joy to everyone. We have many things in common, but we also have different interests. For example, I love cooking, but Sarah doesn't like to cook very much. She prefers to go to restaurants or cafes. Sometimes she takes me to new places to eat. And I always enjoy trying new food with her. It's one of the things we do when we spend time together. We also love to go hiking. Every summer, we plan a trip to the mountains. We walk for hours talking about everything: our families, our dreams, and our favorite memories. Hiking with Sarah is so special because we can talk freely and I always feel comfortable around her. We enjoy nature, and it's a perfect way to relax and enjoy each other's company. Sarah is not just a friend to me. She is like a sister. We share everything, from our happy moments to our sad ones. When I'm happy, she celebrates with me. When I'm sad, she's there to support me. I can trust Sarah with everything. I know she will never judge me. And that is very important in friendship. I also admire Sarah because she is a very hard worker. She works as a nurse and she helps people every day. Her job is not easy, but she loves it. She has a big heart and she is always trying to make the world a better place. We can talk about her work. I can see how passionate she is. She cares about her patients and she works hard to make sure they are happy and healthy. We don't see each other every day because we both have busy lives, but we always make time for each other. We call, we text, or meet at least once a week. Sometimes we just sit together and talk about everything. It's nice to have someone like Sarah in my life, and I am grateful for our friendship. One of the best things about having a friend like Sarah is that she understands me. She knows what I like and don't like. She knows when I need an advice, and she knows when I just need to talk. We can be ourselves around each other, and that makes our friendship strong. In life, we all need a good friend. Friends make us happy, support us, and help us grow. Sarah is the best friend I could ever have. I am so lucky to have her in my life. She makes me feel very special every day. I hope our friendship will last forever. Now, let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. How long have Sarah and I been friends? We have been friends for many years. What did Sarah and I have in common? We both liked the same things: books, movies, and music. What is one thing Sarah loves to do together? Sarah loves to go hiking with me. What is Sarah's job? Sarah works as a nurse. Why do I feel lucky to have Sarah as a friend? Because Sarah is kind, caring, and always there for me. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.